Two giants in the world of insurance go head-to-head, but which one stands out when it matters most? On the left, Liberty Mutual, known for customizable coverage and catchy ads. On the right, Nationwide, promising to be on your side with a legacy of reliability. Let's put aside the slogans and find out what really sets them apart. We'll stack them up across categories, awarding points each round so you'll know exactly who comes out on top. And trust me, you might be surprised by the final score. Okay, check this out. Here, what we're going to tackle today. We'll be putting Liberty Mutual and Nationwide head-to-head on price, coverage options, claims service, ease of use, customer satisfaction, and yeah, discounts and perks, because who doesn't love saving a little extra cash? Let's kick it off with price, because honestly, that's the first thing most of us care about. Liberty Mutual lets you customize your coverage a lot, which is awesome if you want just what you need and nothing extra. But the catch? Sometimes, especially if you want the basics, they aren't always the cheapest out there. Now, Nationwide, they come in with typically lower premiums, especially if you qualify for their bundles and discounts. Of course, you might have to jump through a couple more hoops to get the absolute best rates, but overall, Nationwide does edge it out on price. Alright, next up, coverage options. Liberty Mutual really does go all out. They cover homes, cars, renters, life, like the whole spread. And if you're one of those people who want all the bells and whistles, talk about their replacement cost coverage. The only thing I'd say is the extras can add up on your bill pretty quick. Now, Nationwide definitely brings strong options for auto and home, and I do like their vanishing deductible feature, but the customization isn't quite as flexible as Liberty. So if you love to tweak every little thing, Liberty Mutual is going to be your winner here. Moving on to claims service. Okay, Liberty's got 24/7 online claims, and that app is actually pretty useful, well, when it works, since some people have complained about speed and response. Nationwide, on the other hand, seriously gets praise for claims satisfaction. They're fast and people tend to walk away happy. Maybe a little difference by region, but overall, if you want peace of mind when things go sideways, Nationwide's got this round. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Nationwide actually started way back in 1926 as a farm bureau insurance, like, it was literally for rural America. Imagine how much they've changed since then. Now let's dive into ease of use. Liberty Mutual's app, super responsive for most folks, and customizing quotes is a breeze, but I gotta mention I've seen folks online grumble about some annoying bugs. Nationwide has a really intuitive site and clean digital tools, but you might have to plug in a bit more info just to get started. In the end, though, both make it decently easy, so I'm calling this category a tie. Alright, customer satisfaction. Liberty Mutual, they get decent marks in a lot of places, but yeah, some regions are not as wowed. Those J.D. Power scores aren't always kind. Nationwide, though, wow. They come in top tier for customer satisfaction, big points for their net promoter scores and those J.D. Power awards. Sure, nobody's perfect, folks still complain now and then, but overall, Nationwide comes out on top here. Let's talk discounts and perks. Liberty Mutual's got all the basics: bundle your policies, save some money, and perks for students or a brand new car. Heads up though, where you live decides what you actually get. On the Nationwide side, I do love their SmartRide telematics and accident forgiveness, plus the same kind of bundling stuff. But again, not all discounts are in every state, so really both give and take about the same here. Call it a tie. Now if you look at all those categories side by side, picture that radar chart, it's pretty clear. Liberty shines with customization and flexible coverage, but Nationwide really flexes on price, claims service, and customer satisfaction. So, bottom line, if you want to tinker with your coverage and pick cool extras, Liberty Mutual is the way to go. But if you just want a smooth experience, especially when crisis hits, Nationwide's probably going to be your winner. If this helped clear things up, don't stop here. Keep comparing, because your perfect insurance fit is out there and nobody should overpay or settle for less.